There's a tiny piece of radioactive material glued inside your smoke detector right now, quietly firing off particles nonstop since the day you installed it. Care to guess the reason it's actually in there? Here's the reveal. Inside most smoke detectors sits about a third of a microgram of a radioactive element called americium 241. That tiny speck constantly shoots out particles that ionize the air between two metal plates, creating a steady, invisible electric current. As long as that current flows evenly, everything stays quiet. But the second smoke particles drift into that chamber, they latch onto the ionized air and interrupt the current. The sensor catches that tiny disruption instantly, faster than your nose could ever catch a whiff of smoke. And here's the wild part. That radioactive source has a half-life of 432 years, but the particles it releases are so weak they can't even punch through a sheet of paper. So every time your alarm shrieks over burnt toast, that's actual radioactive decay working quietly on your ceiling, protecting you faster than any human sense ever could.